In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, launch Settings. Then scroll to tap on Display and Brightness. And when you're ready, scroll again, this time to click on Screen Refresh Rate. Now tap on one of those options to apply it and go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!